InfuSystem provides a service for our patient population that enables them to receive the type of treatment they need, but at home, in the home setting, which is more beneficial for the patient population that we see. My patients have leukemias, lymphomas, multiple myelomas, head and neck, GI, research protocols, with a variety of diagnoses, and then there are also a patient population of unknown primary. When my patients call the hotline that InfuSystem provides, it's positive feedback. When they come in the next day, they're happy with the service they've received. For me, when I work with InfuSystem, I like the personnel. The paper process that InfuSystem has in place is very accommodating. I feel that I have access to InfuSystem 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. My contact people at InfuSystem provide quality service.